Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is video 2 on my finance series. So, if I had 1 million naira somewhere that I'm not using, this is how I'm going to invest it. And note that this is not financial advice, this is just for information and video sake.
Hi, my name is Isel. I'm a content creator, an entrepreneur, a fashion business owner. I'm a marketing director. I'm a coach. I'm a business coach, and I teach people how to make money and invest money online. If this is what you're looking for, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, a like, and subscribe to see more videos like this. So let's get started.
If I had 1 million naira that I'm not using right now, this is how I'm going to invest it. Number one is I'm going to invest 20% back into myself. Knowledge, how I look, skincare, beauty, self-care. Basically 20% back into myself, and 20% back into what exactly made me that 1 million naira. I'm going to learn more about that stuff. I'm going to invest in coaching courses, certifications, just to increase my earning power so that I can earn more 1 million nairas. Yes. So the second thing I'm going to do is I'm going to invest 30% into ETFs. ETFs are exchange traded funds. They are low risk investments that increase over time without actually losing the actual money you invested, right? So the same thing as mutual funds, but um I'm going to be investing 30% into ETFs. So some ETFs are like the S&P 500 that has proven to do well over the years. There are more. Like I said, this is not financial advice. I'm just telling you how I'm going to invest my own 1 million naira. So you can do your own research and see what other things you can, other ETFs that can just follow the financial information. What other ETFs can you invest in apart from all these things I'm mentioning, right? So the third one is mutual funds. Mutual funds is like full of funds here and there, and it is very stable. It does not go below how much you invested. Say you invest 40,000 naira, it's never going to go below 40,000 naira. It is not volatile at all. Rather, it's going to increase and is stable. Of course, the return is not that high. It's just like investing into high yield savings account, but it's actually better than savings account. So I'm going to invest 20%, that's 200,000 naira into mutual funds. For the ETFs, 30% is how much? 600,000. I'm going to invest that. I'm going to invest 10% into stocks and other digital assets that are very volatile, like Bitcoin, all of those coins, crypto basically. So 10% into stocks. There are stocks that are also proven to do well. It's either Nigerian stock or international stocks, but I don't I would me personally I would invest into international stocks because of we're exchanging dollar to naira, all of that stuff. There are some stocks that are proven to do well over the years, like Netflix, Amazon, Shopify, Microsoft. I will also invest in the apps that I use, like Netflix. I have subscription on Netflix. Why not invest in Netflix so that you can, when they pay dividend, you get some of the subscriptions back that you're investing, and then when your capital increases. I think I've done a video on exactly how all these things work. Just check my channel. You're going to see a video. I think I'm going to do a video on each, maybe stocks, ETFs, mutual funds. That's an idea. But in this video, I'm just telling you I'm going to invest 1 million naira. And another thing is, I'm going to the last one, the last 20%, I'm going to invest in real estate. You'll be like, 20% is how much? 200,000 naira. What can that do right now? I can tell you that either physical, there are two ways: online or physical. For the physical, you can still see land with 200,000. It might not be in Lagos, so, but there are towns that still sell land for 300, 200,000. So you can go and make your research and go and buy land there. Of course, the appreciation is not going to be a lot for the first few years, but later you are investing for the future. Remember, it's investment. Of course, there are short investments, short-term investment, long-term. But if you are thinking long-term, think real estate. And another way to invest in real estate with as low as 5,000 naira is online. If you go to Risevest, Rise Vest. I should put the logo somewhere around there. Rise Vest app. That's where you can invest fractionally in real estate. So with as low as 10,000 naira, you can start to invest in real estate. Okay. So I think I've come to the end of this video. This is how I'm going to invest my 1 million naira. There are so many ways to also invest, but these are the major 5 ways I've mentioned. You can also invest in businesses. It must not be your business. You can invest in someone's business. You can invest in palm oil. You can invest in gold, diamond, like precious stones. So many ways to invest, but I think with this you can start to do your research and see more ways to invest. And if you want to talk more about this, about in-depth, like know how does all this thing works, what is the app we can use to invest in all this, I think I've made a video, but it's not still detailed. You can click the link in my description and book a call with me. We can talk about them. I can give you more detailed or tailored advice that suits your financial income right now. So I'll see you in my next video. Watch out for the next financial series or finance series. Click the like button so that more people can see this, and then you can follow my finance series. I'll see you in my next finance series. Bye.